Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to install Power BI Desktop. So let's start. We fired up Google and we'll just go and say download Power BI Desktop as part of the Google search. And then we'll just follow the first link, which is powerbi.microsoft.com/en-us/downloads. And then you can see there's an option to download Power BI Desktop. So you can click on download or you can click on advanced or download options. So if you click on download, it opens up another window which gives you a pop-up to open the Microsoft Store, and when you click on that, it shows you the Power BI Desktop. Because I've already installed Power BI Desktop, it is giving me the option to open. Otherwise, it will give you the option to download and install. So I'll cancel this out and I'll click on the advanced download options. And you can see here, I'll just click on the download button again, and it is giving me the options. There are two versions of Power BI Desktop. One is the 64-bit version and the other one is the 32-bit version. It is normally recommended to download and install the 64-bit version if your operating system supports it. So I just clicked. So when I check it and hit next, it will download this. You can see that the download has started. So in this video, we learned how to download the Power BI Desktop, and once the file is downloaded, you just open the file and follow the steps. So you're basically just clicking next till the Power BI Desktop is installed. It is a fairly easy process. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.